You can learn with Mikey.
Hi friends, hola amigos, it's your pal Mikey, and today I'm at the basketball courts. I wonder what we're gonna be doing here. Oh, look, come here, look, come on. Oh, it's my mystery box. Whoa, that means that there's something inside that we need to figure out what it is by finding clues. How many clues are we gonna need to find? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means that there's 6 clues, pistas, somewhere around here that will help us figure out what's inside my mystery box. So whenever you see a clue that looks like this, you're gonna say, Pista. Can you say that? Pista. Cool. Whoa. Do you see this? It's a basketball. Whoa. Do you know what shape a basketball is? Yeah, it's round, like a sphere. Cool. Whoa. Do you think that we need to make shots in the basketball hoop? Yeah, well, let's go check it out. Come on.
Pista!
Wait, what's that?
Pista!
Pista? Where?
Right there!
Oh yeah, there are pistas here on the floor. El Piso. Oh, look, there are, come on, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pistas on the floor. El Piso. Yeah, kind of like the way that they were at the mystery box. So that means that all the pistas are here. I have this pelota, and the pistas are on the ground, el piso. What do you think I need to do with this pelota in order to figure out what these pistas are spelling out? Yeah, I'm gonna have to play basketball. I'm gonna have to take some shots. So what I'm gonna do is every time I make a shot into the hoop, I'm gonna show you what the pista is. Sounds like fun, right? Cool, let's go. All right, get ready. Let's see if I can make this one. I'm a little nervous, nervioso. I don't know if I can do it. It's okay though. I think I'm just gonna try my best, right? It doesn't matter if I make it or not, as long as I try my best. Don't you think? Okay, cool, here we go. All right, okay. Oh no, I gotta go get the ball. All right, I got the ball back. Whew. Man, that one went way over the hoop. All right, this one, I'm gonna shoot it a little less, with a little less strength. All right, here we go. Oh, almost. That was really close. Here we go, another one. Oh, I made it. Come here. Let's see what's here. Okay, all right. First, what color is this dot? Yeah, it's yellow, amarillo. And the first clue with the número 1 is la letra B. That means something inside the mystery box starts with la letra B. What could it be? I don't know, but let's keep trying. Okay, let's go to the next dot. You ready? All right, come on. Okay, all right, let's go. Whoa, that was so cool. All right, here we go. Okay. Oh, no. That wasn't I didn't shoot it with enough strength. Here we go. Oh, yeah! I made it! Come here, let's see. Okay, so what color is this dot? Yeah, it's blue, Azul. Great job. Okay, let's see what this clue is. It's el número dos in la letra O. So that means that the next letter for the item inside the mystery box is la letra O. Yeah. I still don't know what it is, but this is really fun. Okay, come on. Next one. Pista, pista, pista. Woo. All right, here we go. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but I'm gonna try my best. Oh, almost. Okay, that was close. Here we go. Oh, even though I missed 2 times, dos veces, I'm gonna try again. Maybe I can make it. 3 times a charm, right? Maybe not in my case, but we'll see. Oh, I made it! I made it! Whoa! Okay, come on. Let's see what this pista is. Okay, so this dot, do you know what color this one is? Yeah, it's orange, Anaranjado. Pretty hard to say, right? Gotta roll your R's. So, Anaranjado. Cool. All right, let's see what's here. So this clue, pista, has el número tres. Sorry, I don't know why I said it that way. El número tres in la letra T. So that means that we have B-O-T. What's inside of this mystery box? I don't know, but come on, next one. All right, okay, here we go. So I've made uno, dos, tres. All right, now this is cuatro. Let's see if I can make it. Oh, so close. All right, don't give up, remember, don't give up. Oh, come on. Okay, 3rd time's a charm. I don't know if it is this time. Here we go. Oh, no! I've missed 3 times already. I really don't feel like doing this anymore. You think I should give up? Yeah, you're right. I shouldn't give up. I should keep trying. I'm pretty sure I can do it. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, ready? All right, here we go. Oh, no! Okay, I know I'm gonna do it this time. I know I'm gonna make it. I believe in myself. Do you believe in me? Thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is so hard. Even though this is difficult, Dificíl, I'm not gonna give up. All right, here we go. Oh, what number shot is that? That has to be like number, what?
6, Seis?
If only there was a way that I can look at the clue without having to make the shot. Yeah, you're right, that would be cheating. Let's keep on playing. Whoa, all right. Okay, now I'm excited. Okay, emocionado. I'm ready, I can make this. Whoa! Come here! Boy, oh boy. That was a lot of shots, right? But I didn't give up. I kept on trying. Okay, what color is this dot? Yeah, it's green, verde. Okay, let's see what this pista is. This pista has el número 4 and la letra E. We still have 2 more, dos más pistas left to go. Well, let's keep on trying. Are you ready? Okay, hopefully this time I don't have to take that many shots. You ready? Here we go. Oh, that's 1, uno. Oh no! Boy, that's hard, but I'm not gonna give up. I know I can make it. Oh, thank you. Almost. Come here, look. What color is this dot? Yeah, it's red, rojo. Okay, let's see what this clue says. This clue has el número 5 in what? L. That doesn't make sense. What's L? Oh yeah, in an alphabeto, 2 L's is actually ella. Yeah, I almost didn't remember that, but I'm glad that you did. Okay, here we go. Last pista. Última pista. Are you ready? Okay. Whew, I'm a little nervous, nervioso, but I think I can do it. Okay. Gonna take a deep breath. I can do this. Oh, so close. All right, here we go. Oh, that was way off. No worries. I got this. I did it! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! I did it! Woo! Oh, hey, my bad. I forgot. There's one more clue. Pista right here. What color is this pista? Yeah, it's purple. Morado. And the last clue, última pista, is el número 6 and la letra A. Well, I think it's time to go back to our mystery box to see what our clues spell out so we can figure out what's inside the mystery box. Are you ready? Yeah, come on. Whoa! Yeah, now that we have all our clues, pistas, let's see what it spells out. Okay, here we go. The first pista is la letra B. Okay, B dice B. The next pista is la letra O. O dice O. La letra T dice T. Next pista, la letra E. E dice E. La letra Y dice Ya. And la letra A dice A. So, bo, o, te, ya. Botella. Botella. Can you say botella? Yeah, great job. Botella. A botella is a bottle. Oh, that means that there's a bottle inside of my mystery box. Oh, I wonder what's inside the bottle. Botella. Let's check it out. Are you ready? Okay. Let's see. Whoa! It's Agua! Oh, I love Agua, especially after I get done playing basketball. Whoa! Or especially when I get done missing all those shots. Whoa! Hey, thank you so much for helping me figure out what was inside my mystery box. Gracias! Oh yeah, be sure to click the subscribe button. That way you can keep learning with me. M-I-K-E-Y. Oh yeah, go to learnwithmikey.com so you can print out free activity worksheets. Bye! Whoa!